guys, so today I wanted to make a video on installing this Evolution X Design firewall heat shield. And if you watched my last video you saw I already have it installed. I actually took it back off today to paint the bolts black that go in here just to sort of blend in a little bit better. So while I was doing that, I thought I'd put the stock one back in just to show you the difference it makes. Obviously this is going to shield heat a lot better because it comes out the side here, but it just looks so ugly, the stock one. It's a bit dark in here, but I'm sure you can see that. So I'll just quickly do a how to remove the stock one and put this one on. Okay, so to remove the stock one, you'll need to get your manifold heat shield out of the way. Now I have a tubular manifold, so I have this one. If you have the stock one, it's the material same as this, it'll go back over. You'll have to remove that one. It's just a few 10mm bolts, but I don't have that so I can't show you. But for this one, you just got 10mm bolts back here. You go into the valve cover. I've already loosened these off. So you just undo those. And then pull that one out. Okay, so now we can get to the firewall heat shield. So you'll have 3 bolts. So there'll be one down the back here, one in this corner at the back, in the bottom, and one is just there in the middle. So need a 10mm for that. Okay, so here's the difference between the two. Obviously this one's a lot uglier. This one's going to shield heat a lot better. The side here. So they both have the same bolt locations. So this one's basically OEM fitment. So you got your middle bolt here. One on the end here down the bottom, and the other end at the bottom. And this one here has a rod that will go through to rest it on. And you can actually get these powder coated in any colour you'd like. I just got the stock black. You can get them raw, black, or in any custom colour you'd like. So I'll put the link to these in the description. So they're made by Evolution X Design, and they are sold through AK Racing in Brisbane. Okay, so to install this one, I'm going to put 2 OEM bolts down here. This one through the rod, and this middle one here will come with a long bolt. So this one's painted black to sort of blend in a bit better. It does come with a washer too, but I didn't really feel like I needed it. So get it in, I'm going to slide it down and try and put this middle one onto that rod down there. And this one, let's go into that hole there. Okay, it's got that in there firmly. Okay, so then we'll have these 2 bolts. Looks like I've got one that's different, but it should still be fine. So I'll put this black one down in this corner. Down in there, and the other one will be in this very back corner on the other side. So we've got those hand tightened. Let's tighten the rest of the way. So that was the long bolt in the middle. I'll get the 2 down the bottom. Okay, so that's in and tight. Looks a lot better, as you can see. Compare it to that. It's a big difference. So we'll put our manifold heat shield back in now. It's nice as it would be to leave it just like that. Be able to see the manifold. Unfortunately, I have to put this one back in. So let's go down into here. tighten those ones in a minute. So there you go, all in. It's a lot neater. So I'll put a link to the Evolution X Design Firewall Heat Shield. It's $135 from AK Racing, and they'll ship internationally. So anyone watching this that's not in Australia wants to grab one, just send them a message. I'll also put a link to this tubular manifold heat shield, and the other style for the stock manifold, and also does this brake reservoir manifold, brake reservoir heat shield. So obviously I've heard stories about these melting when you put the tubular manifold. There's also the cam and Maybach ones down here, and I'll soon get the coil cover one too. Alright guys, so that'll be it. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.